Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. For that, you will have to first launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your Binance account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on Spot. In this spot, you are going to see all of the coins that you have on Binance, including BNB. So you need to tap on BNB, and once you tap on BNB, you are going to see a withdraw option. So as I don't have BNB in my account, I'm going to demonstrate it on some other coin, but you just have to do the same steps on BNB. So let's say this is BNB. So once you tap on BNB, you are going to see this withdrawal option. So if you tap on withdrawal, you will be given two options. So over here, you need to select the first option, which says send via crypto network. Afterwards, you will be landed on this type of page where you will be asked to provide the address, or you can even scan the QR code in order to send your BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. So over here, in order to get that address, you will have to first launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and after that you need to search for BNB. For that, you need to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you will have to search for BNB Smart Chain. After that, you will have to tap on the option of receive, and then you are going to see the QR code as well as the address. So you need to copy the address from here, and then you need to come back to Binance and you need to paste the address in this section. Then you will have to select the network. So for BNB, we are going to use BEP20. Then you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to withdraw from Binance, and after filling these details, you will have to tap on this withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything looks correct, you just have to confirm your transfer, and after waiting for some time, you will notice that now you have successfully transferred your BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.